There's a time in all our lives when it's fun to be told a scary story.
Oh, you goof.
Hey, everybody, gather around. I'm gonna tell you about the Grabber.
I am a part-time magician.
Are those black balloons in there?
Would you like to see a magic trick?
He's not a good person. Some part of his soul has been so eroded that he can justify things that most of us don't even want to think about.
I'll scream. I'll scratch your face.
This face?
It's very rare to see me playing bad guys, because if you do it right, people believe you are a spawn of Satan. The good news is, it might be the time for me to go to the dark side.
What if I could help the police find Finney?
I made you some breakfast.
What'd you put in that?
Salt and pepper.
It's like a sibling movie to Sinister that's going to a deeper, stranger place. I always like to picture a group of friends going to a movie theater at midnight because being scared out of your mind is what the film is about.
Who is this?
You know all our names?
You're getting out of here.